We've just been putting up our beam frames and I thought I'd just share some useful hints and tips, most of them from Debbie. So use a straight edge to mark where your beam poles are going to go, and then push them in and get them approximately level. Now we use cable ties, and obviously there is a kind of plastics and climate change, carbon footprint implication of those. We're very concerned about all that, and you can see a video which I'll link in the description about our approach to that. But actually cable ties are minuscule in terms of their carbon footprint. So I know every little bit counts, but by comparison with the food they grow, it is unmeasurable, the carbon impact. So pre-prepare all your cable ties so that you're not messing around trying to get them threaded when you're standing on the steps. So loop your canes over, pop the cable tie over, and then tighten it up. And run a cane in the V and put a cable tie above it to lock it all in place. And if you have a raised bed like me, put a cross piece in, but push the cross piece in so it's up against the board at the bottom, so it's just fully locked in place. If not, just push it well into the ground. All the cross pieces in the centre, so all the cross pieces at the junctions, interleaving the cane so it's inside and then outside on the next one, and that springs all the canes a little bit, just adding to the tension. And the end result is an incredibly rigid, quick to assemble, quick to disassemble beam frame.